Come here, Tera. Dali, i-greet tayo kay Lolo.
Come here.
Lo! Ito po si Jen, asawa ko. Ang anak ko, si Tiara, magandang babae. At ito pa, on the way. Buntis to Lo. 6 months. I want to greet you. Happy birthday, Lo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lolo. Lo, happy 18th birthday. Sana lagi kang malusog. Mag-ingat kayo palagi, Lo. Lo, I miss you and I love you.
Lolo, happy 88th birthday po. Sana po umaba pa ng umaba ang buhay ninyo. At sana po pagdating ng time, magkita-kita po tayo. Kasama yung mga anak namin. Stay healthy po and stay happy all the time. May God bless you always.
Okay, sing na kay Lolo.
Sing again.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo.